All right, so getting ready to do the fuel filter on this GMC Sierra. It's a GMT 800 truck. It's going to be about the same for Tahoes, Suburbans, Silverado, Sierras, heavy duty or not. So this is the filter I'm using. Really nothing special. $11 filter from AutoZone. I don't know if the fuel filter's ever been done on this truck, so I'm just going to change it. But you're going to need a 16mm wrench, an adjustable wrench provided you don't have a 20mm for this. I believe it's a 20mm. A couple rags, some gloves, and a pan for the fuel to drip into. The first thing we got to do is pull off our lid here, because we're going to pull the relay for the fuel filter or the fuel pump. That is, it looks like this one right here. It's going to be this one here, that one, and this one. So we're just going to remove this. So I almost forgot to mention, you do want to do this with the truck running. There we go. So I'm under the truck, jack stand and jack in place. And the fuel filter is right up here. There's the gas tank, there's the filter. All right, so we've got the pan underneath. What I'm going to do very carefully is do the back first, so that's further away from me. 16mm goes on the back just like that. And we're going to hold the filter in place. It's going to leak a little fuel. Wouldn't be surprised if this was the original fuel filter. It is an AC Delco. Alright, so the big thing here is these O-rings. You want to make sure that if they came off with the filter, that you take them out of the filter and put them back on here. You can replace these. I, however, do not have any of this proper size on hand, so I hope that they're not going to leak on me. Here's the direction of fuel flow, so it's coming from the tank to the engine. So we're just going to kind of move this back a little bit. There we go. We're just going to cinch this back down. So what I'm going to do up above is put that relay back in, cycle the fuel pump a couple times, and then start. Then I'm going to come back down here for leaks. You guys will see all that. No leaks. I did notice when I gave it that first start, it started up a lot quicker than it normally did. I wouldn't be surprised if this was the original fuel filter. I only say that because it's an AC Delco. Normally many people don't have their vehicle serviced by the dealership. The quick lube places aren't going to typically change these out, and if they do, it's going to be with their fleet brand or whatever it is that they get wholesale, and it's not going to be an AC Delco part. So it wouldn't surprise me if that's original to this truck, all 140 something thousand miles. So I'm hoping with this new fuel filter, my gas mileage goes from 12 to 15 or 16 in the city like it should be. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.